I'm Travis Coleman, full-time triathlete. I've been professional for about 3 years now and fully plant-based for about 5. I try and get up close to sunrise. Day will start with a run or a ride, follow it with a swim, usually ending the session with some yoga and then tucking straight into food, recovering as quick as possible. When I first ditched the meat, ditched all the animal products, it took a few months to feel anything, and then after about between 3 to 6 months, I just felt this lightness, like I'd lost weight, but I was still the same weight. I was able to rock up the next day training like I hadn't just trained. I guess I was sleeping better, I was lighter, I could train harder, recover faster, go further. I pretty much spend easy over 3 hours a day training, so I pretty much got to eat 3 hours a day to refuel the body with how much energy I just expend training. Garden vegan saves me so much time. The simple convenience of a quick, healthy meal that I know isn't cheap and quick, it's nutrient dense and quick. I know I'm hitting all my proteins, my calories, my carbs. I'm getting real food, organic food that's in its natural form, and it's delicious.